Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine, and on this channel we talk about how to make money online so that we can travel, or to make money while you're traveling, or both. So if you're into that stuff, subscribe. Thank you. So today's video is how you get paid on Outschool, and it's super easy. Super easy. So when you sign up for Outschool, you just put in your PayPal email. They pay you through PayPal. You get the money within 7 to 10 days after teaching the class. So if you taught the class on a Thursday, then you will see the pay for that class the next week in your PayPal account. Couldn't think of the word. They don't do like a paycheck or anything like that. It's literally per class, and they take 30% of whatever you made. So if you made $100 in that class, they're going to take 30% because they advertise for you. That's how you get the students to come to your class, and then you're going to get $70 because that's what you made post the Outschool fee. Yeah, they advertise and you use their platform, so I will accept the fee. You have to remember to take out some for taxes. I like to take out 30% and just put it in a separate bank account, and I don't touch it until, you know, April usually, when my accountant says you owe X amount, and I'm like, okay, and then I give them the amount. Some people say, I can't handle that. I need my company to take the taxes out for me. Grow up. It's not that hard. Just take 20 to 30%. I like to be extra careful. I put aside 30%. I put it in my little savings accounts, and I do not touch it again until the accountant says, hey, pay your taxes, and then I pay my taxes. So if that's your excuse, get a better one, because that's stupid. I'm a little sassy today. I'm sorry. Not really. Cue that Demi Lovato song. And I got this idea from Catherine Westbrook's. If you don't know her, you should go follow her. She's great. But she has a whole Excel sheet, and I might make one of my own, but I just took the one that she offers, and I put in all my times. So right before class, I write down my students' names, the name of the class, the time, and the date of the class, and then I type all that information into my little Outschool Excel sheet on Google Excel, Google Docs Excel. You know what I'm talking about. And I have a little column that says, you know, take 30%. This is what you get after you take the 30% out. And this is how much you should get. And then there's a little checkbox if you got that amount or not. So if you want that Excel sheet, go check out Catherine Westbrook's channel. I'll leave it in the description. It's very helpful. I might make one of my own, but I don't want to copy her. I don't know how to make that my own yet, but yes. It's really awesome, super helpful. Because again, Outschool does not make a paid check for you. They're like, oh, you taught this class this day, here's 30 bucks, here's $48, here's $20, here's $106. So just to keep it all in line, because I can promise you won't remember. Just put in the little Excel sheet, wait for it to hit PayPal, and then say you got it. It's that easy. So anyway, that's how you get paid on Outschool. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, like, subscribe, help a homie out. Thank you. And if you want to apply to Outschool, as always, my affiliate link is in the description. Email me if you need help with anything. My email is heycatherinedavis@gmail.com. If you do not reach out to me, I cannot help you, and I want to help you. That's why I make these videos, okay? Okay. So glad we could have this talk. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Trying to show you that I'm not wearing a sports bra, but my hair is strategically placed here. Pardon me. I'm done being dramatic. Thank you so much for watching. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.